Installation. Loosen the screws to remove the bubble. Insert the memory card. Rotate to remove the bottom cover. Install the bottom cover to the cap. Install the cap to the bracket. Hook the safety rope. Install the waterproof jacket. Install the camera. Adjust the view angle. Install the bubble back to the camera. Remove the protective film. Mark and drill the holes. Install the bottom cover to the ceiling. Hook the safety rope. Install the waterproof jacket. Install the camera. Install the bubble back to the camera. Remove the protective film.